Hi, welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video I'll show you how to use snap layouts. Let's me start with the very basic. If I have just one app open, like in my case I have opened Edge browser, there is no problem, I can see it on my screen, I can work, I can resize and I can drag it where I want. Now, I open File Explorer, but what if I want to see both the Edge browser and the File Explorer on same screen at one time? What should I do now? There is a solution. Place the cursor on title bar, click and drag it one side, like this, and when it touches the side of the screen, a box will appear and just leave it there. Though the other app will adjust itself, but you can do the same with Edge browser. Take it to the right side and when the box appears, leave, and now we can see that both the applications are displayed. Now let us open third application, for example Paint program. This has hidden both the other apps. I want to see them all on one screen. What should I do now? Let us create space for Paint program. Let me drag the Edge browser the corner of the screen and a small box appear, making room for Paint program. Now all the three apps are displayed. What if we want to accommodate more apps, or we want to change the layout? That's where the snap layout comes to help us. Let me open some more apps, like Notepad, Calculator, and Settings. You know, on every app there are three buttons given at the corner. One is Minimize. The other is Close button. And the middle one is now Snap Layout button. Just hover the cursor on it, and you will see 9 layouts. Keeping in view the number of applications, select a layout that best suits your needs. For example, I am selecting the one with 3 vertical boxes. When I hover the mouse, the blue box is suggesting me where I want to put the setting application. I am selecting the left side. And as I selected, the settings application sets there, with the 2 other boxes are alongside. In the middle box I want to put Paint program, so select Paint, and it has occupied the second box. Now select any other app you like and place it in the third box. These 3 apps are now in one group. What about other apps? Let us create another group. Repeat the process for each app. Hover the mouse over Layout button, select the layout and put the app there. Click on the Task View button and we can see there are 2 groups. In one group, there is Calculator, Paint and Settings, while in the other Edge browser and File Explorer can be seen. An application with the group can be resized. Open the group and hover the mouse between 2 applications, and a vertical bar appears. You can adjust the size of the application. You can do the same horizontally. In next video we will learn how to create multiple desktops and how to send applications to other desktops. Like and subscribe for more practical Windows tips. See you in the next video.